Last spring, I have done 2 impulse purchases. Yes, my friend, and I haven't talked about this on my channel, so now I do think it's time. Maybe you will be surprised by my choices, but yes, this is impulse buy. So sometimes you fell in love with one thing in a store and you just want it. So let's have a review concerning the first one, and of course the second one will be revealed in another video. Let's start. Very quickly, the story. I went to visit my mother, which is also living in the south of France. We eat together and then we talk, oh, this is a nice afternoon, let's have a shopping session. And so we went to a small village and we walked there, and of course there were shops and so on. And in one of the shops we entered because there were beautiful clothes and also some accessoires, but also on a corner they had small leather goods and also bags. And you know me, I went directly to this section to see what they have. And honestly, I was surprised because it was brands that I haven't heard a lot of, and I fell in love with the bag. So this one. And as you can read, the brand is called Naterra. I know apparently, because I do not have Instagram anymore, but thanks to my sister, I know that this brand is very present on Instagram. And of course I have made researches on internet, and I saw that they are producing bags and small leather goods. But when I bought it, I didn't know the brand. What I can tell is that I fell in love with the design of the bag, and most of all, I went crazy about the leather. So now let me show to you. So of course it came with a dust bag, very nice. Here is the bag. Yes, my friend, it's a black bag. I know I'm not into black bags a lot, but sometimes when I love the design and I do think it's quite nice for some special event, I do love black bags. And as you can see, it's leather braided bag. And I have known in my collection, even the handles are braided. And it's sad, it's a video, but the leather is just incredible. I will write the dimension of the bag. And I know it's kind of vibe concerning the braided leather bags at the moment, either tote or either big obo bag, but this one caught my attention. I know they are practical and lovely, but I am so small. I wanted something which matches my size. So here it is. Let me show you. So for me, it's just perfect. And as you can see, I will wear it also with a jacket without problem. And this is something very uncommon for me, but the bag has no closure. So here is the tag of the company, Naterra, but you don't have a button pressure and so on. Yes, I know it's very strange for me, but this time I fell in love just with it, and I thought to myself, sometimes, even if I have a big collection, I am missing a kind of piece, a little bit, not chic, because I also have a chic bag, but you know, kind of fashionable bag, just for an evening. So I don't need, it will be very secured or so on. I just want to put my essential, have a lovely dress, and it makes the work. And since I will have it under my arms, yes, I do think it will be okay. But that's very uncommon for me. There are also no lining, no inside pocket, no zip pocket. It's really a raw leather inside. But I love it, honestly. So now the bag has a name. It's called Ahila. And this is the logo of the company. And the leather in question, because I didn't tell you, It's the calfskin leather. And it's so soft. Yeah, I fell in love. I cannot tell you why, but I do fall in love with this bag. And I thought to myself, yes, for once, go for it. You love the leather, you love the general design, and the price. The price was also interesting. I paid 155 euro for it. I know there is no closure, but for a non-leather bag, I do think I am still in a good price range. So now let me show you what I will fit inside. So I just packed it as I would have packed it if I go somewhere for the evening. I just added a hair clip because we always need a hair clip sometimes. So just inside, you see? And I still have space if I want to put some sunglasses and so on. Oh, I forgot to mention, but it is so lightweight. And a bottle of water fit inside because I know, because in the shop I tried and I got a bottle of water and here it is. So what I have placed inside. So of course I placed my compact wallet from Moroccan. If I want to use this bag in summer, I've got my fan and you see it fits. So this is really important. I've got documents for my car. I've got my agenda for my meeting. Of course, I've got a pen. I also have a coin purse, my cash buddy, and I have some tissues. And of course, I can place some lipstick and sunglasses, as I just told you. So it's a small shoulder bag, but I do love the dimension and I don't know, I like it. For once, I like it and it surprised me, honestly, because I do love to have bags with at least a button pressure to secure them, but this time, just the general design of the bag, I fell in love. So my friend, of course, I will keep you informed and updated about the warranty of the bag because I repeat, I do not know this company. The person in the store just told me that they were making bags apparently from Morocco. So if someone has more information, please write me a comment. Morocco got a very, very great history in leather treatment, and there is a real artisanal with leather and bags and so on, and also with shoes. I know they are working very well, but I will test this brand. This is brand new to me and I am quite happy because I repeat, I have no braided leather bags in my collection. So I will keep you updated. My friend, did you have some impulse buy during the last month or just right now? Tell me. I know this is at the moment still the summer sales. This one, of course, was in spring, so it was not on sale. And I don't think the brand is making sale, apparently from the few information I got from them. So tell me, if you know Naterra, if you have bag or item from them, small leather goods, tell me if you have realized an impulse buy. But yes, I am excited to use it and I will keep you informed. And as I told you, I have made a second impulse purchase. Yes, it was a month after, and of course I will do a video showing you what I have bought. That's all for today, my friend. To all my subbies who always participate and support my channel, thanks a million. I love you, my little treasures. For those who keep looking at my video but haven't subscribed yet, please, my friend, do. It really helps me, so do not hesitate. It is free for you. Thanks for watching this video. We see us soon for our next video. Till then, take care. I love you and we see us soon. Bye bye.